Do you have everything, but at the end of the day, you feel like you haven't achieved anything? Yes, as an entrepreneur or a high performance professional, you have reached the top of your game. Yes, you have the house, you have the properties, you have land, you have money, you have the fancy car, you have people at your beck and call. You have it all. But at the end of the day, when you lay your head down on the bed, you still feel unfulfilled. You feel sad. You don't have a continuous inflow of joy. You don't feel a purpose to get up tomorrow other than to achieve more things. My name is Andrew Egan, and I work with high performance professionals to help them gain the clarity to protect the things that are most important to them, to help them to live a lifestyle that is complementary to the things that they've been doing for many, many years. But the difference is there's no purpose there. There's no fulfillment there. There's no enrichment there. I want to help you get that. I want you to click the link below to join me for the conversation that is happening on the next page. And when you get there, I want to give you a resilient mindset blueprint. That's right. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. You help you to understand where you are and what you need to be doing. By the way, it's going to reframe your mindset about what you really think resiliency is all about. Now, most people, have you heard it before, that resiliency is about bouncing back. It's about bouncing forward. Well, I'm here to let you know it is not about that. It is about life. As long as you are alive, you will need to live a resilient life. And join me for the conversation that's happening on the next page so I can help you to dig deeper and to live a fulfilled life unlike you've never had before. Click the link now, and I'll see you on the next page.